Shidim Shari. That's what the crypto investors, speculators, holders are screaming this morning or last night. Green paradise. Um, Good morning. Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. I haven't talked about BTC on the fast stream for a long time because it was not worth talking about outside of this dip below support slash resistance, right? And um, I don't really care what the reason or the news is that drive. First of all, let's change the property of this so that it go on for a long time. Let's see. All right, so last time that we break this long trend line, the check back didn't hold at all. Okay, it sliced right through, and then it try again, fail, try again, and then what has going on with my position? I got stopped out of IBIT here. I had my order down here to restock. That never happened. Once a week, I move up my order. Uh, Open this weekend, I'm likely will move it up to 58K. It was 56.5 for a while, but I'm gonna move it up to 58 or a little bit above that. That's the way it is. The good news is, even though I get stopped out of IBIT, I then have repurchased in my crypto account, my actual crypto account, and buy BTC outright. So it's not as if I miss out on this pump. Not worried at all. I bought um, almost the same amount in dollar wise of IBIT that I got stopped out in BTC um, below 60. It was below 60. I think the lowest was maybe 59, about like 59.5, 59, and even like 59,900 or something like that. So a couple times I bought down here. Okay. So my crypto account is at all-time high. Yay. All right, so before we move on, let's take a look at, is there any rhyme or reason for this white line? It was support, and then it broke down, and then now it's still resistance. Okay, let's see, let's go back even further. I want to see if that line means something while I make it white. Okay, now it makes more sense. It's been a while since I looked at this chart, going back this far. So here we go, here and here. Okay, so that's a pretty steep trajectory, right? Not a surprise that it's a tough spot to break. Not a surprise that Bitcoin is dancing in this wide range, right? That's where the previous top was, cycle, whatever you want to call it. So for now, let's, if you want to trim for whatever reason, set a trim above the all-time high, because this run could break it. Could. I'm not selling, okay, but for those that are fast trader, you might consider that. Ethereum. If you bought Ethereum down here, congratulations. Okay, I did. Anthony did. I did. We actually bought Ethereum, not the ETH grayscale nonsense. But even if you bought those ETH nonsense, congratulations on 15% plus move, right? No complaint here. No complaint here. I do have ETH as well, okay, which I have not done anything as far as trimming or selling. I add to my Ethereum, but not ETH. Would I trim ETHE? Give me all-time high. Give me all-time high or at least 52-week high, and then I will consider it. Okay, at least see all-time high is almost over 4,900. 52-week high is 4,100-ish, just over 4,100. Yeah, see. So yeah, no rush. Okay, I think the big move on ETH Ethereum is coming. PANW earning. Okay, I had an order to buy way down here after hour. Okay, it never got there, which is fine. I for now this morning on the open, it definitely will challenge this channel. Okay, this down channel that you see here. It's 297, 296 ish, right? I think last night after hour, let's see how low did it get after hour. 291. Okay, so watch out. Can it go lower? Possibly. Ethereum did last time. Last time, whatever we all thought was a bottom, we were wrong. For those that want to rewind 90 days ago, yeah. We thought, I thought this spot right here, well, at first, in the after hour, right, I thought up there, oh, it's gonna fill the gap. Well, it filled double gap, okay? It filled this gap, it filled this gap, and then it sliced right through into the 200 daily moving average. I don't know what it's gonna do here, okay? I'm not gonna predict that it's gonna do the exact same thing, but if you are eager to buy, I would say don't be eager to buy, okay? Don't be eager to buy. Depend on how the rest of the sector report, you might get a chance to revisit. If, let's say, Palo Alto came down to 300, okay, which is down here, and you didn't buy, you might get a chance again, just like last time. See, last time it came down, and then over the next 6 weeks, as other company in the same sector report, retrace it. So if you miss it, you might get another chance to buy on the dip. Okay, so if it come down to say 298, and that's as low as it get today, you might get a chance again to buy at 298 a couple weeks from now. So no need to jump in there now. Would I buy? Would I sell put spread at 275? Depend on how steep the first 30 minutes is. I might. Okay, that would be, for me, that would be the safest play. I think 260 might be too far away to have any juice, especially on a Wednesday, right? With that, so for me, I might look to sell 275, 270 put spread for lunch money. Okay, that would be the ideal play if this thing tank at the open down to the low 290s. Okay, I would be surprised at all if it's gonna come down and try to test the 50 MA. Try. I think it will. Before I go, Palantir. What did I do yesterday? I took the dip yesterday to sell a naked 21 put. Now, why did I do that? Now, for the premium that I received, it roughly Reflow. That's like me buying 100 share at Reflow back in early May, the first week of May. So I'm fine with doing that because, yeah. Now, if it come down below 21 and that puts a sign this Friday, my plan then is to sell a naked put with a strike price of 20 for next week. Should that, happen, then I would keep adding on to my position. I don't mind adding on to Palantir 21 down to 19. Um, the 200 moving average is moving right into key support. Okay, so I'm not worried about this gap fill. Um, this gap fill, as of right now, is lining up beautifully with the channel low. So would I buy more here? Yes. Would I back up the truck here? The answer is yes. Okay. Technically, uh, I'll do that not because I think Palantir is gonna 10x or 20x from here. I don't care. I'm just a TA trader, and TA tell me channel low is a screaming buy. Okay, just like it was a screaming buy here, here, and here, right? And here. If you trade using TA, you just stay disciplined, right? Look, okay, this is a very nice looking channel. Now, if that channel failed, then perhaps we come down to the 200, the 100 weekly moving average way down there. Should there is a bear market, for whatever reason, I don't know. For now, I'm not baking in a bear market. Not right now, not in the next week or two. A lot can happen in the next month or two, but in the next week or two, I think we're in a, not a bear market yet. If I think we're in a bear market, do you think I will be like 80% equity? Right? Well, I'm not 80% equity, I'm 50% equity, and the rest is in cash and TLT. But if we're in a bear market, rest assured, I would not be 50% in equity. It'd be less. I would get stopped out in a lot of position. Anyhow, enough rambling. Good luck today. We'll see what the market is going to do. Economic data is light. It was light yesterday. It's going to be light today as well, I think. I don't recall any big data. I could be wrong. I think big one is, of course, Thursday. Right? I think every Thursday you have some kind of job data, but I haven't looked. See ya.